Here are 5 compelling reasons why you should get the 13-inch MacBook Air if you are in the market for a new laptop in the year 2023. Let's start with the display. MacBook Air comes with a stunning 13.6-inch display that packs a lot of punch. With an LED backlit IPS panel boasting a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels and a 500 nits of brightness, this is without a doubt one of the best laptop screens on the market. So whether you are scrolling through social media, browsing the web, watching videos, or tackling productivity workloads, this display will be an absolute joy to use. Photos and videos come to life with rich contrast and sharp detail, and texts appear remarkably crisp on this screen. The second reason why you should consider the MacBook Air is its blazing fast performance. Thanks to the Apple M2 silicon, this laptop is 40% faster than its predecessor, the M1 chip. So whether you are editing videos, collaborating on a business project, or streaming content while multitasking, the M2 chip delivers the speed that you need to get things done swiftly and efficiently. Now the base model will come with 8GB of unified memory, and I think that is good enough for most folks. But if you do plan to use this laptop for something like 4K video editing or software development, or if you're planning to run memory intensive applications, then I would recommend upgrading the RAM to 16GB. Apple also offers a 24GB RAM option, but I would avoid that model because in my opinion it's an overkill and it's not really going to offer any tangible benefits over 16GB model. Now the third reason why you should consider the MacBook Air is its exceptional battery life. This laptop boasts up to an astounding 18 hours of battery life, setting it miles ahead of most Windows laptops. Plus, unlike many Windows laptops, MacBook Air maintains its peak performance even when you are running it on battery power. This means you can count on your MacBook Air to keep up with your demanding workload throughout the day without constant need for charging or plugging in your laptop if you want the best performance. Moving on to the reason number 4, let's discuss the MacBook Air's superior build quality. Apple has a long-standing reputation for crafting laptops that not only look sleek, but they also feel incredibly sturdy. The MacBook Air is no exception, featuring a premium aluminum build that exudes elegance and durability. It's a laptop that not only performs well, but also looks and feels the part. Added bonus is the Backlit Magic Keyboard, which fixes all the past keyboard issues that plagued MacBooks for many years. So this keyboard provides a comfortable and productive typing experience even in the low light conditions thanks to its backlit nature. Finally, the fifth reason why you should consider the MacBook Air are some unique features that you won't find on a typical Windows laptop. So for example, there is MagSafe 3 charging port that ensures a secure and quick way to charge your laptop, and if you accidentally trip on the cable, it's not going to pull your laptop down. You also get 2 USB 4 ports that offer a blazing 40 gigabits per second of data transfer speed. This is a game changer because it allows you to connect fast external SSD drives to expand your storage. Say for example, you do video or photo editing, you don't need to pay that ridiculous amount of money that Apple charges for increasing the storage. Instead, you can just get something like a Samsung SSD storage and you can use the USB 4 connection to seamlessly expand the storage in your laptop and save a lot of money. Added bonus is the high quality 1080p FaceTime webcam. So this webcam, it uses advanced image signal processing and computational video capabilities to deliver the best looking image when you are streaming or doing conference calls. So in my opinion, the 13-inch MacBook Air with M2 silicon is one of the best laptops that you can buy this year. Its superb display, impressive performance, exceptional battery life, premium build quality, and thoughtful features make this laptop the king of the hill in the laptop market.